Hello viewers, today I am going to fix this crackling sound in the JBL Go Bluetooth speaker. Let me show you the crackling sound first. I am turning on the speaker. Went to pairing mode, connecting to the mobile. Done. Now playing the song. Alright, you have listened the crackling sound. Now let's fix this speaker. Let's start tearing it down. Alright, I'm turning off the speaker. Now there are 4 screws I'm going to remove. One is here. So this is the reason behind the crackling sound. You can see the foam ring has gone bad. You can see here. Coming closer further. Now the only way is to replace the speaker itself, or we have to replace this foam surround. So in this case I am going to replace this foam surround itself. I have the size of this foam surround. Let me show you that. So this is the foam ring. I am going to fix this. This is the perfect size for this. Let me remove this and I will show you how to fix properly without any air leakage. Just follow the steps. The important part is like this is the air seal which blocks the air. I am going to remove this very carefully so that after replacing the ring I am going to put back that air seal, this one. Alright, let's start changing this foam ring. Watch carefully, follow the same steps. Now remove this seal. I am going to apply some heat over here using the heat blower. Now removing this seal carefully. You can see it is coming. Removing this ring. Alright, this is the seal which I am going to keep carefully. Now I am going to clean this speaker before fixing the new ring. And its surface is very smooth, so need not remove that. We can fix the ring as it is, no problem. If the surface is rough, then the air will be leaked from this place, but the surface is very soft. It is a thick rubber seal kind of thing here, so we can paste our ring here. Since it is a small driver, nothing will happen. Alright, now let's see. This is the new ring. This is the perfect fit. The inner part will go back side of this cone. Keeping it, the position is perfect. You can see it's already looking very neat, clean and tidy. Just pushing this back side of the cone. Alright, you can see that it is positioned perfectly. Now I am going to apply the paste here. Then I will apply to the outer part. Now I am going to apply the glue here. You can see very lightly the meeting point of the ring and the cone. Then let us wait for 5 to 10 minutes so that it will get harder. Then I will apply the paste at the outer part of this ring. Now after 15 minutes the inner part is dried, touch to dried. Now I am going to apply the paste for outer part. So what I am going to do is like I am going to slightly push this ring inside here. Then now I am going to apply the paste. This is synthetic rubber glue. I am going to apply this. Now the paste is applied. I will remove this excess glue little bit through my hand itself. Now I am going to take out the ring which is pushed inside from back side like this. Now I am going to pull like this slowly. Out now. Now I am going to slowly press like this. Let us wait for 2-3 minutes, then I will press. Now the speaker is dried, in the sense the foam ring is dried. Now I am going to apply the paste in this ring. Now pasting it back to the speaker. Just keep on pressing like this for 1 or 2 minutes. Alright, let us wait for 2-3 minutes. Let this get dry. Alright, the ring is replaced now. Everything is perfect. It is ready to put back in the speaker. Now I am showing in the close-up. You can see it is perfectly fixed. I am showing the action. Let me show you a short demo before putting back inside the speaker housing. Alright, now turning on to play the song. It is turned on, connected, now playing. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah. No, I don't wanna. Alright, putting back the speaker to the per case here, speaker case. After fixing this completely, I am going to show you the proper demo, how it sounds. Meanwhile, please like and subscribe to AudioViz 360 and please give feedback in the comment section below. It will be very helpful and it will motivate me to make more of like these videos. Done. Now time to fix the speaker here, putting back the grill, putting back the speaker housing. Alright, putting back the cover here. metal grill. Done. Now it's time to show you the demo. Taking my mic near to the speaker.
I don't wanna waste what's left, and on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Alright, there is no crackling sound, the speaker is perfectly fixed. This is the proper way and right way. There is no other way to fix, like Fevikwik, super glue or any paper stuffs, anything. You have to replace the ring, that is the important, and this will be the permanent solution for the speaker. Alright, that's it as of now. Thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, please do like, share, subscribe to AudioViz 360 and hit that notification bell icon. Write comment in the comment section below. Give me feedback of this video. Thanks for watching. Bye.